I'm Janet Adoracion Panagi, and I am applying for a General Virtual Assistant. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and currently I am doing my online business. I am confident enough that the comprehensive training given to me by the Knights of Online Marketers enhance my knowledge on the Google Plus products, MS Office, blogging, content development, video, and social media marketing. If you are looking for a fast learner, organized, hardworking, reliable, talented, and highly motivated individual, I am one of those who would give my best. You can contact me anytime in this site. Thank you.